So I'm heading to the Home for Handicapped Animals Foundation. It's on the outskirts of Bangkok. About from where I'm at, I'm around the Charoen Krung Silom area. It's going to take me about 30 minutes. In Thai, it's called the มูลนิธิบ้านสงเคราะห์สัตว์พิการครับผมไปบ่อยนะครับเดี๋ยวเราไปด้วยกันครับไปทำบุญกันครับ So I've arrived here at the foundation. I'm going to take you in for a tour. So I'm here on Christmas Day, and as you can see, there's no one here. And all the animals here are mostly handicapped. They need a lot of love. So come visit if you can. You can also donate animal food สามารถบริจาคอาหารสุนัขอาหารแมวได้ด้วยนะครับหรือว่ามาอุดหนุนซื้อของ So here's a section that you can play with the cats. I just found out that they've moved the majority of the animals to their Nakhon Pathom branch because of neighbors and surrounding residences complaining. So you can visit the Nakhon Pathom branch and visit their website, which is homeforanimals.org.